Hello everyone, welcome to your weekly Bitcoin update. In this video, we will review what happened last week and how that affected Bitcoin's price.
3、2、1，加。
On Tuesday, April 30th last week, Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs started trading in Hong Kong. This is bullish for both cryptocurrencies because it will only increase the amount of people that now have access to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. On Wednesday, May 1st, Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, did not change interest rates.
The committee decided at today's meeting to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 5.25% to 5.5%.
This clearly was good news because the markets were selling for a few days before the meeting in anticipation of a possible rate hike. The fears were fueled by the inflation print going from a 2% to a 3.7%. This was partially offset by the print of job openings being weaker than expected. We can see how the market was selling in anticipation of Jerome Powell's meeting, but after May 1st, Bitcoin regained all losses. Now, looking forward, the market seems to be anticipating the first rate cut to happen in September. On Thursday, May 2nd, Coinbase published their first quarter 24 earnings report, beating expectations by about 20%. This is very bullish for Coinbase because it just means that activity in their platform is increasing as more users are opening wallets to trade cryptocurrencies. On Monday, April 30th, Coinbase announced that they will be starting to support the Lightning Network in their platform. So one of the limitations of Bitcoin is that it has a maximum amount of transactions per second. The ceiling is close to 65,000, whereas Visa, for example, can record millions of transactions per second. This is one of the major downsides of Bitcoin that critics have been pointing out in the past. Now, what Lightning Network does is that it's basically a ledger of transactions that is recorded outside of the main blockchain. This way, we can record millions of transactions out of the chain, and then after a certain period of time, the Lightning Network broadcasts the net of all of those transactions into the main blockchain to reduce the workload of the main blockchain. Some people say that this Lightning Network is the cryptocurrency version of Visa of the future. This week, Bitcoin broke below the long-term trend line just to regain all losses after Powell announced that rates were going to remain unchanged. Now, there is a trend that I want you guys to notice. Look at how most of the consolidation channels in the past lasted about 2 months. So this one lasted 51 days. Then Bitcoin broke below the channel and then broke into new highs. In here, we have another channel about 51 days, broke below the channel and broke into new highs. So in this channel, we've seen about 60 days. It has broken below the channel, and I expect Bitcoin to break above $80,000. Please note that I have both Bitcoin and Ethereum in my portfolio. I am currently overweight Ethereum. This is not financial advice.